I thought my PID gains were wrong. Tuned them for 3 weeks. The oscillation never stopped. Turns out the problem was never the gains. Here is the physics that proves it. Quick question before I show the answer. Camera sees the arm with a 400 millisecond delay. Servo moves at 60 degrees per second. How far past the target does the arm overshoot before the stop signal arrives? Guess, calculate. It's 24 degrees, 60 times 0.4 seconds. Every single command cycle. The servo fires, arm starts moving, camera sees it at 400 milliseconds later, but by then the arm has already passed the set point by 24 degrees. The strip sends stop too late. Arm sees it, overshot, overcorrects, goes 24 degrees the other way, and it loops. PID gains can't fix this. The delay is hardware. OT, ISP, ImageManip, YOLO, USB, Python, measured 400 ms. You can tune KP to infinite. 3 weeks of PID tuning. The answer was in the equation the whole time. The fix is counterintuitive. The idea was stop thinking, continuous. It should be pulsed. Error is 15 degrees. Servo speed is 60 degrees per second. Pulse time 15 divided by 60, 250 milliseconds. Fire for exactly that long, then wait 500 milliseconds, longer than the lag, then reevaluate. It converges, not smooth, but every pulse tightens the error, and it holds. Then the AI loses the arm the moment it stops moving. Detection drops from 95 to 50%. The model was trained on moving arm, never saw the still one. I fixed the oscillation. Now the eye is blind. That's week 23. Subscribe if you want to see whether fine-tuning the model actually solves it or creates the next problem.